Okay, to expand fractions, we need to change the denominator is often the one we need to change so that we get it in terms of the same denominator as another. So if I need to expand this fraction 2/3 to change it instead into ninths, I just have to look at the bottom number and say, what have I multiplied 3 by to get 9? Well, I've multiplied 3 by 3 and that gave me 9. So what do I do with my top number? Exactly the same thing. I multiply 2 by 3 to get 6. So now I can see that 2/3 and 6/9 are actually exactly the same number. Am I absolutely 100% sure? Well, yes. If I divide 2 by 3, I will get the answer 0.6666666. If I divide 6 by 9, let's do that. 9s into 6 don't go. 9s into 60 go 6 times, and that's 54. So there's 6 left over. So I will get 6666666. So the fraction 6/9 is exactly the same as the fraction 2/3. And we're just writing it in a different way. And this is very, very useful in maths to be able to reorganize fractions so that they're in the term that you want. For example, if you would like to add 2/3 and 4/9 together as fractions, you can't do that when it's in the terms of thirds. You have to have both fractions so that the bottom number is identical. But we know that 2/3 is exactly the same as 6/9 because we just showed that on the other page. So we know that 2/3 is equivalent to the same fraction 6/9. And now we can actually add fractions because fractions are super, super easy to add. If you just say, okay, what am I adding in? I'm adding in 9s. So the bottom number stays the same. Always, always. Then I can cover the bottom number and say, right, what 2 numbers have I got on the top? Oh, I have 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So that 6/9 plus 4/9 actually equals 10/9. Can I leave it like that? No, I can't. Because this is what we call a top-heavy fraction. Bigger on the top than it is on the bottom. Are we allowed to leave it like that? No. We have to say, how many times does 9 go into 10? 1 time. How many left over? 1. So this is equivalent to the fraction 1 and 1/9, and this is how we should answer. Unless we need to manipulate this fraction some more, we might want to keep it like that. Okay? So that is expanding fractions.